Mastering the TOEFL Integrated Writing Task, Synthesizing Information. Hey there! Welcome back to our series on TOEFL preparation. Today, we're diving deep into the integrated writing task, specifically focusing on how to synthesize information from multiple sources. By the end of this video, you'll have concrete strategies to effectively gather, understand, and present information from both readings and listenings. Let's dive in. When we talk about synthesizing information, we mean the process of combining information from different sources to form a coherent understanding or statement. In the TOEFL Integrated Writing Task, you'll often have to pull details from a reading passage and a listening clip, then use them together to answer a prompt. Imagine trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a detail from your sources. Only by fitting them together can you see the whole picture. Similarly, in the integrated writing task, your answer becomes stronger and more comprehensive when you skillfully combine details from both the reading and listening sources. 1. Read actively. As you read the passage, underline or note the main ideas and supporting details. This will help you quickly refer back to them during the writing phase. 2. Listen carefully. When the listening clip plays, jot down any contrasting or supporting points it makes in relation to the reading. Also, listen for any additional details or explanations. 3. Find the connections. Look at your notes and see where the reading and listening overlap. Maybe the listening gives an example that supports the reading's point, or perhaps it offers a counter-argument. 4. Organize your response. Begin your response by briefly summarizing the main points from both the reading and listening. Then, dive into details, using information from both sources to support each point you make. 5. Keep it neutral. Remember, your job isn't to express your personal opinion. Instead, you're presenting the information from the two sources. So, always remain objective in your response. Ignoring one source. Make sure you equally represent both the reading and listening in your response. Neglecting one weakens your answer. Repeating without synthesizing. Don't just list details. Show how they connect, contrast, or support each other. Getting off topic. Stick to answering the prompt. Don't get sidetracked by interesting but irrelevant details. Synthesizing information can feel like a challenge at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember to actively engage with both sources, find the connections between them, and present a clear, well-organized response. We hope this video has shed some light on how to master this skill. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your TOEFL preparation.